Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us start our day with a wonderful thought. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Now, let us continue fifth chapter operations on rational numbers. In the previous videos, we have seen basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Today we will see numbers in between rational numbers. So children, get ready with your textbook and notebook. On page number 36, some questions are given below the heading Numbers in between rational numbers. Here the first question is write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. Children, you all are aware about natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1 and ends up to infinity. We know the numbers that come between the given two natural numbers. So, the natural numbers between 2 and 9 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These natural numbers come between 2 and 9. Now, question number 2. Write all the integers between -4 and 5. Here you have to write all the integers between -4 and 5. Now everyone knows what are integers? Negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0 are all integers. Now here all the integers between -4 and 5 are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we will write all the numbers between -4 and 5 in ascending order. Question number 3. Which rational numbers are there between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4? Now here you have to write rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now, in order to write the rational numbers between given two rational numbers, we will first convert them into fractions with equal denominators that you have already studied in previous class. Let us recall it again. In order to make the denominators same, we will see both the denominators. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. Now we know 4 is 2 times 2. So we will multiply numerator and denominator of the first rational number by 2. So let us convert these numbers into fractions with equal denominators. So multiply the numerator and denominator of first rational number by 2. When you multiply 1 by 2, you will get 2 in the numerator, and on multiplying 2 with 2, you will get 4 in the denominator. Therefore, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 are equivalent fractions. Here the other fraction is 3 upon 4. Now 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 are numbers with equal denominator. These two rational numbers are with equal denominators. But now to get the numbers between 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Look at the numbers again. Here the denominators are same. So we will look at the numerators. Here 2 and 3 are consecutive natural numbers. So we will not get any natural number between 2 and 3. For that we will still convert them into their equivalent fractions. Now let us see 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is equivalent to 20 upon 40. That is, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, we will get 20 upon 40. So, 20 upon 40 is equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Also, if you multiply 3 and 4 both by 10, you will get 30 upon 40. Now 30 upon 40 is fraction equivalent to 3 upon 4. So if we write the rational numbers between 20 upon 40 and 30 upon 40, that will be the rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. Now which rational numbers come between 20 upon 40 and 30 upon 40? They are 21 upon 40, 22 upon 40, 23 upon 40, 24 upon 40, 25 upon 40, 26 upon 40, 27 upon 40, 28 upon 40 and 29 upon 40. So, the rational numbers from 21 upon 40 up to 29 upon 40 comes between 20 upon 40 and 30 upon 40, that is 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. In this way, we can find the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now, solved example given on page number 37. Let us look for rational numbers between the two rational numbers 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7. Now, to see the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, again we will convert these numbers into fractions with equal denominator. Now, to convert them into equal denominator, we will multiply the first rational number with the denominator of second and the second rational number with the denominator of first. Now, when you multiply 1 upon 2 both by 7, you will get 7 upon 14. Also, on multiplying 4 upon 7 both by 2, you will get 8 upon 14. Now, here if you look at these two rational numbers, 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14. Here we have to find the rational numbers between these two. As these two are fractions with equal denominator, we will compare their numerators. If you look at the numerators, here it is 7 and here it is 8. Now 7 and 8 are consecutive natural numbers. That is, we will not find any other natural number between 7 and 8. But children, you have to think, are 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14 consecutive rational numbers? Just think over it. As 7 and 8 are consecutive natural numbers, 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14 are consecutive rational numbers? No. Reason? Because we can find infinite rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Let us see how. Still, if we increase the denominator of these rational numbers, the numerator will also increase. Let us see, 7 upon 14 is written as 70 upon 140. That is, when you multiply both by 10, you will get 70 upon 140. Also, 8 upon 14, on multiplying by 10, we will get 80 upon 140. Now, if you look at these two rational numbers, 70 upon 140 and 80 upon 140, we will find many rational numbers between them. Here 70 upon 140 is equivalent to 1 upon 2 and 80 upon 140 is equivalent to 4 upon 7. Therefore, here these rational numbers that comes between 70 upon 140 and 80 upon 140, these rational numbers also lies between 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7. Now, which rational numbers you are getting here? The rational numbers having numerator 71 up to 79. That is 71 upon 140, 72 upon 140, 73 upon 140 up to 79 upon 140. Now, so how many numbers do we find between 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14? Here we are getting about 9 numbers. But children, are there these much numbers only between 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14? No. Still we can find many more rational numbers between them. Still if we increase the denominator of the given rational number. That is, if you multiply the denominator by 100, you will get 1400 in the denominator. Similarly, 700 in the numerator, because when we multiply denominator by any number, we multiply the numerator also by the same number. So 700 upon 1400 and 8 upon 14, on multiplying by 100, we get 800 upon 1400. So here 700 upon 1400 and 800 upon 1400. These two are equivalent fractions of 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7. See children, how many numbers come between 700 and 800? They are 701 up to 799. It means here you are getting 99 numbers between these two rational numbers. It means still if you increase the denominator, that is if you multiply both the numerator denominator by 1000, still you will get many more rational numbers between them. If you multiply both of them by 10,000, 1 lakh and so on, the number of rational numbers between the given two rational numbers will increase. Hence, when rational numbers are converted into equivalent fractions with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers which lie between them can be expressed.